Like 200
Part
feet up.
3.
I wish I was in Disney. Oh,
That's pretty. Wow.
Doing part 3 here.
Camera dies. Make a pretty
Doing part 3.
Oh my god, that's so pretty.
yeah, even Disneyland is all better.
I don't know. I'm gonna scream.
Nothing but Disneyland. Well, I might be able to go to Disneyland later this summer and record some fireworks then.
Everyone here doesn't license.
Whoa.
No, not for fireworks. You have to like do something for that.
Great America's for license, of course. Since they go like 200 feet up and then this hecka huge.
Whoa, blow I figured it out, Anastasia. I figured it out. High five.
Figured out what? How to make yourself pretty?
Hey, be nice.
How to make yourself what? What do you say? How to make yourself what? Pee. Come on, guys, make some freaking.
It's part 3.
Oh, that sucks. That's too small. That sucks. That's too small.
I love part 3.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, wow.
Guys, stop saying ooh, ah.
Whoa. Whoa, yeah. Finally got on
Oh my
tape and
gosh,
it's good.
shut up, guys, for saying ooh, ah. Okay, it's like you having sex. It's really, it's like,
Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm trapped.
it's like people having like sex. It's like ooh, ah.
I feel trapped. Dude, everybody's doing this so much.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my
Shut
god.
up, guys. You're like having like sex. Like, ooh, ah, ooh, give it to me.
You know your mother is like right behind you.
Oh.
No, she's like down there.
Oh, that's so pretty over there. Look, it's like all at once.
I feel like everybody's doing this at us.
Well, that's true. Everyone's doing like ooh, ah, what the heck?
Shut up.
Shut up.
We have a lot of parts, like 5 parts.
Even Brandon agrees.
Yeah, I know.
That's so pretty.
Kind of annoying when we're videotaping.
Whoa. Where's your dad? Is his dad down there?
It's all black now. It's black except for the city and fireworks.
Maybe you guys probably like seeing the fireworks right now too.
Dude, why you mention this on videotape?
Oh. I didn't know that.
I can
You didn't know we're videotaping all?
No.
Part 3?
Wait.
What?
Why the record just the ice cream?
I mean, I have one.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, wow.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. People be like, wow. So
Wow, again.
shut up! Hey, that sounds so wrong.
Oh my god. If you can hear something good.
I don't care, okay? That sounds really wrong. That's like, ooh, ah, what the heck?
Are you speaking Chinese or what?
Ew.
Barely anything but far distance. I want one to like go across the whole world and go.
I know. People be like, whoa.
But that would kind of be illegal, wouldn't it?
And
Because then it will come down and it will hurt everybody.
and you can't do that. You can't
It's
do that.
illegal. You have to have space. What's it called?
No, and you can't do that too.
Oh my god, it's so stupid.
It'd be too scary after we like up in the whole air.
Besides, that's impossible anyway.
I know. Unless you have like really big fireworks.
Yeah, that's impossible. No one can have big fireworks.
I saw
The biggest is like Great America. Those are the
Want to go somewhere else or no?
Yeah.
Everybody's over here.
It doesn't matter. Since... Oh my gosh. Oh.
Look at that.
It's too much. I can't see both.
So pretty. That's so pretty.
Can't record all of them at the same time.
Let's just do that one. That one's like the best.
Yeah, for now.
That's my favorite. I like this part.
4th of July fireworks.
Oh my god.
And anything. Whoa, I just feel like in my bed. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Don't feel like picking up your nose.
Enoch is a bad singer.
You suck at
Feel
singer.
like singing lazy song
No.
every day.
No.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
How about you
yeah.
guys come up with the 4th of July song?
Let's sing the national anthem.
No, thank you.
Oh,
Oh my god. Of course Angie joins in.
Shut up.
Oh, it's past or bedtime.
Remember Pokemon? Remember he's like, he's a monkey. Shut up. Remember?
Wow,
Yes.
your brother cusses a lot.
Yeah, he's trying to be a homie.
No, I just said,
The brackets around that.
I just said,
Remember, like, oh my god, oh my god.
it's like, man, that's tight, man. I was like, oh my god.
Oh my god.
No.
Should we cut it loose right here?
Yeah. They're being annoying.
Playing the video and saying the words. I was like, oh my god.
Let's go more though.
Actually, no.
Oh my god. Stupid.
Hey!
How long should this take?
Remember when she used to go,
What?
She still does that.
Yeah.
Like, stupid Angie.
okay, that's Bret Hart right there. That's Bret Hart.
That's Bret Hart.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
That's William.
No, Williams is over there. That's Bret Hart.
Sure, talk about your schools in style, but to YouTube, it does not care. Trust me, this is Valley Christian what people care about.
The Valley Christian is like down there.
Way far away.
Valley Christian is like down there.
Go in the mountains.
Oh yeah.
Knock.
It's like down there, like down there. I don't know.
If you don't know, don't say. Okay. Holy crap! Someone trying to do fireworks behind us?
Next time don't do that anymore. Shocked me. It's like,
Wait, are people doing fireworks right behind us?
here's your fast right behind us. Whoa! Oh my god.
Holy crap!